a variable. In this video, we are going to discuss about assignment operators in Java, which is used in order to assign values to a variable. You can see we have used int a equal to 10, where a is a variable. I am using operator sign equal to and value 10 is assigned to it. This type of assignment is known as simple assignment in Java. In Java, assignment operators are divided into two types. One is our simple assignment operator and another is compound assignment operator. While I am using equal to sign in order to assign a value to a variable, it is known as simple assignment operator. And when I use arithmetic operator along with equal to sign, it is known as compound assignment operator. We can do more and understand it in detail while we do it practically. So let us move to our ideally. Now I am in my ideally and we are going to use a simple assignment operator in a variable for which I will declare int x equal to 10, which is a declaration of a variable x in which I am assigning a single value 10, and I will print it out. And using plus sign followed by name of variable and semicolon, I can print this. So you can see the value is 10 get printed. Now I will declare some compound assignment operator. So how can I declare it? In order to declare compound assignment operator, I have to use arithmetic operators before assignment sign, that is equal to sign. So if I use x plus equal to 20, what will happen? You can see here, currently my value of x is 10. So what happens when I write plus equal to? It means internally compiler consider it as 10 plus 20. So here my value of x goes to be 30. So my output will be and output is equal to when I write plus x, my output will comes to be near about 30, not 10, 30 here. Okay, so when I run this program, you can see and output is 30. Now I again use another operator. I say x minus equal to 10. What will happen now? See, as you know, current value of x is 30. So current value of x is 30. And what I am doing internally, x is equal to 30 minus 10. So value of x comes to be 20. So what will be my output? My output would be equal to 20. I just copy this and paste it over here and we will run the program. You can see my output comes to be here 20. In a similar fashion, I can use multiplication and division operations also. As we have used here x plus equal to 20, we can use another number also. Say int y equal to 5. If I use x plus equal to y, what would be the output? So let us calculate it. If currently my value of x is equal to 20, so when I write x plus equal to y, what I am doing here, x is equal to x plus y. So it is internally 20 plus 5. So output will be 25. So let us do it by running this. You can see the output comes to be 25. So in this way you can using a single number or using two numbers, you can use compound assignment operators.